Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn laws and properties of set theory. The first one is commutative law. A union B equal to B union A and A intersection B equal to B intersection A. And next one is associative law. A union B union C equal to A union B union C. That is this one, A union B union C. And next one, A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. And next one, distributive law. A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. That is A intersection B union and A intersection C. Next one, A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. That is A union B intersection A union C. Last one is important, De Morgan's law. A union B all dash equal to A dash intersection B dash, and also A intersection B all dash equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, so De Morgan's law is important one. Okay, so next one, first one is commutative law. A union B equal to B union A. That is A union B means the part of A, this is A, this is a set A, and this is a set B. That is A union B means including all the part of A and B. B union A also same, so that is A union B equal to B union A. Next one is A intersection B equal to B intersection A. That is a common part of A and B. This is A, I just check here, this is A and this is B. That is a common part is A and B is this one, the center part of A and B. Okay, that is commutative law. Okay, next we have to prove that A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C using the Venn diagram. Okay, so how to draw this one means, so first we want to show B union C. So B union C means here we have the three sets A, B and C. So we want to draw here the three circle A, B and C. So first one is A intersection B union C. So this one B union C first we want to draw. So here the B union C means this is a part B union C, and next one is A intersection B union C. That is this intersection of A part. That is a intersection of A part means this circle of A part. So the green color fill this one only. Okay, so this is a intersection B union C, and next we want to find the RHS. Okay, so this is A intersection B, so this is proved. Okay, first one is proved. Next one is A intersection B. So A intersection B means the common part of A and B. Okay, this is a common part of A and B, this is a common part of A and B. And next one is A intersection C. So A intersection C means the part A and this is a circle C. So common part of A and C, this one is a common part of A and C. Okay, and we want to in union with this both A intersection B and A intersection C. So we get this part. Okay, this is the part we get. So this A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, next one is important one is De Morgan's law, proving A union B all dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay, you just do this one. Okay, I just doing here A intersection B all dash equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, so first one is A intersection B all dash. So first we want to find the A intersection B. So A intersection B means this is a part A intersection B. Okay, so A intersection B all dash means so inverse of this function, that is a transpose of this function. So this is a part, this one is a part is an A union B all dash. Okay, so next we want to find the A dash. A dash means this is an A dash, so only this is a union minus A. A dash means universal set minus A. Okay, and next one is B dash, that is B dash equal to union of set minus B. Okay, so here A dash union B dash, so A dash union B dash means union of this part, so we get like this. Okay, so A intersection B all dash equal to A dash union B dash, the both diagram is same, so hence the result is proved. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching the video.